In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust block padding in Mobirise. First, sign in to Mobirise so you're in your workspace. Once you're logged in, open the project you want to work on. If you have several projects, take a moment to confirm you're opening the correct one, especially if similar themes or pages share the same look. That way, the spacing tweaks you make will apply exactly where you intend. With your project open, click the block you want to adjust. This could be a hero header, a text block, a feature section, or any other Mobirise block on the page. Clicking directly on the block tells Mobirise that this is the area you want to edit. You should see a subtle outline and controls indicating the block is selected, which helps you avoid changing the wrong section. Next, open the settings for that block by clicking the gear icon that appears when the block is selected. This opens the block settings panel, where you'll find design options specific to that block. If you don't see the gear icon right away, hover your cursor over the block and look near the top or side of the section. It often becomes visible when you move your mouse over it. Inside the settings panel, look for sliders labeled top padding and bottom padding, or similarly named spacing controls. These sliders control the vertical space within the block. Dragging the top padding slider increases or decreases the space above your content, while the bottom padding slider adjusts the space below. As you move the sliders, watch the canvas update in real time. This live preview makes it easier to find a comfortable balance so your content feels well spaced without looking crowded or overly stretched. A few practical tips as you adjust. Larger header or hero blocks typically benefit from more padding to create breathing room around headlines and buttons, while dense text sections often look cleaner with slightly tighter spacing. Make small gradual changes and keep an eye on alignment with neighboring blocks so the page flows consistently from top to bottom. If a block offers a single spacing or content padding control instead of separate top and bottom options, treat it the same way. It's still adjusting the internal whitespace. If you're not happy with a change, simply drag the sliders back toward their original positions. Then repeat the same process for any other blocks that need refinement. And that's the workflow. Log in, open your project, select the block, open the gear settings, and fine-tune the top and bottom padding sliders until your layout feels balanced and polished.